What's going on, you guys? What is going on? What is going on? Guys, I hope you guys are having a great day because I'm excited. I'm really excited. Let me tell you why. It's because this is the first video, right? Out of a series, okay? And the series is going to consist of, becoming a day trader, learning how to day trade, everything you need to get started, and literally just to this is a mentorship here. This is like a mentorship. This is like a type of propel you forward type of thing. That's what I'm trying to say. I can't talk today. But anyway, as you can see, actually you can't see. Let me go ahead and show you here. Right, we're on the candlesticks here. Guys, I'm gonna show you right now. Oh my goodness, I'm hacking now all of a sudden. Okay. Okay, perfect. Let me show you guys. Okay, how to read candlesticks. So in this mentorship, guys, in this little like I guess you could say series, okay, I'm going to show you exactly, guys, how we're going to read charts, read candlesticks, and propel you forward to becoming a full-time day trader to have that lifestyle you actually need, right? And that lifestyle I'm talking about is to actually, just not only getting started, but really actually waking up, right? Going to church for an hour, making the money you need, and just being done doing whatever the heck you want to do for the day. That's the lifestyle we all want to live, right? So to get to that point, we got to go through, mentorship. So I'm going to give you guys the mentorship that you guys need, video by video, step by step, to becoming, to having that lifestyle. So literally, let's go ahead and jump in here, guys. We're going to be teaching you right now. We're going to talk about candlesticks, how to read them, and really how to just manage your charts here. Okay, so let's go ahead, and as you can see, we're on the charts here. Okay, and these are just little icons. These are little drawing icons here. Okay, and we're on tradingview.com if you didn't know, but I'm going to show you exactly how to read candlesticks. So these are little icons. This is a little square box tool. We got a long position. Okay, so long position is where you want to enter the trade. So if I want to, say if we're on this candle here, I want to buy here. This is where I set it, or take profits. So you could go long position, or you could go for a short position. So let me just put them side by side here. So this right here is the darker one is a short. Let me put this here. Okay, perfect. So as you can see, this is your stop loss, this gray area here. And this is your stop. So if you're going long, right, this means you're buying the market. So this is called a long position, okay? And then this right here, if you're going short, this is called a sell position. So you're basically selling price when it goes down. But anyway, if you already know that, perfect. We're going to go into some candlestick charts. So let me find a good one here for you. Let's go ahead and look. As you can see, perfect. So we have this candle here. Let's look at this one. Ignore everything you see here. I know it seems a little confusing, but I know you're going to get this. So I'm going to show you the way to learn how to get this. So as you can see, we have this candlestick. So what does this mean? You could see it's really long. It's got a long green squiggly thing, right? So this is called the body here. The green zone here is called the body. So as you can see, it starts here, right? This area here is like the body, right? This is the body of our candlestick. And then these little edge things coming off of it, these are called wicks on our candlestick right here. I'm going to outline this in red. Can you see that? That's the little candle wicks, okay? So it looks like a candle overall, but it has like one string. So if you look at a candle, it usually has one string, right, coming out from the top of it. This has like two. Okay, so think about it this way. Most of them have two. Sometimes they have only one, but I'll tell you the reason why later. Like exactly this. See how this one has a one? But I'm going to show you exactly what this means. So it looks like a candlestick overall. Okay, so when a candlestick is green, okay, that means what? It means the market went up. So the market, right, went up. So right when we see a candlestick, you want to tell yourself, okay, is it red or green? This right here is green. So that means the market went up. Why? Because it's green. That's simple. That's simple, right? Simple as a dimple. But anyway, so if it's green, the market went up, as you can see. And when the market goes up, you want to know that price goes up, right? That's what the candlestick determines, is where price is. So we want to know why this is green. So why is it green? Okay. Not only price went up, and this thing is green because price is up, but I want to show you why. So basically, we're going to go on the bottom left of this candle. Okay, so right here at this price point where I'm hovering over, you can see on the right hand side, right there, it says a little price point right here, like it says right here when I hover over there. So 21,556, right? That's where we opened with this candlestick. So really quick before I get any further, each candlestick, right, is defined by a time frame. I know this is sounding really confusing, but look at, as you can see, we have time frames up here. Okay, there's different time frames, but we're going to focus on the 1 minute. We're on the 1 minute right now, as you can see, and I'm trying to make this really simple here. So we're on the 1 minute. This candle, right, is made off of 1 minute. As you can see, you see the time on the bottom? It says 1:59, and this one says 1:58. These are all 1 minute, okay? These are all based on 1 minute. So basically, when the market opens, right, it's kind of like if we're on this time frame, right, 1 minute, each candle is going to signify 1 minute. So it's 1:59, right? So say if it's 1:59, and then 2 o'clock comes, it's going to leave this candle and create a new candle. Okay, so basically that's what the time frame means. Okay, if you don't get it, rewind that little part. But we're going to move on here. So as you can see, we're going to go on the left-hand side here. Bottom left, this is where the market opened. So if I go ahead and highlight this area and bring it, drag it over. Okay, this is where we opened here. Actually, I only like that. Okay, this is where we opened. So after 1:58, right, it's 1:59, right? So this candle was born. As you can see, the bottom left of it is where the market opened. So it opened right here. And the reason why it's bottom left is because, look, it went up. It's going to be the bottom left always when it comes to being a green candle, okay? And when it's a red, I'll tell you it's direct opposite. It's actually, top left, but I'll tell you that before you get, I don't want to get you too confused. So the bottom left, guys, is where exactly the market opened. And so after the 1 minute is up, okay, price is going to stick wherever it is, wherever price is, it's going to create a new candle. So it has to close this candle before it makes a new one. So it's going to close, right at 2 o'clock. It's going to make a new one, okay? So really quick, the market is closed right now, so it's not making any new candles, but it will be at 3 o'clock. That's why it skips 1 hour, okay? But anyway, so price opened down here. During the 1 minute, price closed up here, okay? So it goes from bottom left to the top right, okay? Let me go ahead and show you this, okay? This might look a little confusing, but look at, we're still looking at this one candle here. So price opened up right there, okay? So if we go to the bar thing here, it shows you where price opened and where price closed. So price opened here, it went up here and it closed on the right-hand side, right? So basically it highlights this area from here to here as a candlestick, right? So just like this, kind of highlights this area. Then it makes it green because it went up, if that makes sense. So this is called the body of our candlestick. So basically we start from the bottom left to the top right, okay? That's for a green candle. And then the little wick parts coming off right here, right? These little black parts, you must be wondering, what is that black part? What is that? But really, these are called wicks. And so basically, this candle, right, what I said, it's based off 1 minute. So it opened here and it closed up here, right? But the wicks determine what did price do during that minute. So basically, when price opened here, right, 1:58 p.m., right? This candle closed, and this one opened at 1:59, right? Because remember, when one candle opens, this one must close. So this one closed, this one opened right here, bottom left, and then it went up. It must have went up to this price point where the top of the wick is, okay? As you can see right here from this point, right here, it went that high during the 1 minute. And it must have came down here, right? And maybe even came down even here, and that's where the lowest part of the candle is, right? During the 1 minute. So then it pushes back up and it closes here. So basically, the candle signify the body, right? Which is the open and close. And then the wicks determine what did it do, what did price do during the 60 seconds or 1 minute time frame, because we're on the 1 minute. Okay? So if we go to the 5 minute chart, as you can see how it gets a little smaller, right? It's because we're on a higher time frame. So as you could see, again, same concept. And it looks like a different candlestick because it's based off a 5-minute candle now. So now look at when 1:55, right? It's 1:55 p.m. It says right here. So basically, this is the open and this is the close of 5 minutes. And what do the wicks do? What do the wicks mean? Remember, wicks mean what did price do during that time frame? Remember, we're on the 5-minute. So when price opened here during the 5 minutes, right, 1:55 to 2 o'clock p.m., okay, price actually came down here to the lowest part, pushed back up here, and went up here, then pushed down, and right when 2 o'clock is up, it closes that candle right there. Wherever price is at, it closes it. So it makes this candlestick. So basically, that's what reading it is. Basically, pretty simple. If you don't understand, you can go ahead and go back in the video and rewind this video. And I really want to. I can't even. Oh my gosh, I need some coconut water. Yeah, but anyway, simple like a dimple. It's if you don't understand, go ahead and rewind the video. And again, I want you to understand this to your fullest potential, because if you don't understand this, it's going to be really hard for you to kind of identify different things in the markets and trends and all kinds of stuff like that. So this is a necessity need. This is huge. You need to learn. So reading candlesticks is what you need to do. So we just read this green candlestick, right? So we want to go ahead and look at another example. Let me show you another example here. So if we go here, let's go ahead and we're still going to do a green one. Okay. I'm just going to rewind back. I'm going to close my eyes and just rewind. Oh, wait, hold on. It didn't rewind. Okay, did it rewind? Nope. Hold on. Click anywhere. Anywhere. Okay, it rewinded. Okay, cool. Okay, let's just go ahead and go until we find the first green candle. Okay, perfect. Cool. So ignore this one. Ignore all these candles. So we're just going to identify this one. Actually, let me go back just so you could see this. Okay, so what does this candle mean? According to the back, according back to what I said, if you pay attention, what does this mean? So basically, right, we're on the 1 minute time frame. So what does it indicate? Each candlestick is made based off of 1 minute. So, right, so it's a green candle. What do we want to say, right? It's going to go up. If it's green, that means market went up, right? So market went up here because it's green. If it's red, that means the market went down, okay? But I don't want to focus on the red candle. I want to focus on this green one and make sure you get this. Okay, so where's the open? Remember, we're going to go bottom left for green candles always, okay? For green candles, it's always going to be bottom left. So we go bottom, and then we go to the left. This is where we opened, right here, okay? And then where do we close? Remember, this is based off of 1 minute. So we opened here. Price closed right here. Why? It closed here because that's where price was at after the 1 minute was up, right? So after 6:05, another candle is created, right? But before this one's created, this one must be closed first. So it kind of makes a candlestick, right? So, and what do the wicks indicate? Remember, this is the body, right? Open, close. Okay, that's why it gets highlighted there, basically, remember? But what do the wicks indicate? That indicates what price did in the 1 minute. So when price opened here, price went up to this high, came down, and that's why it made that wick, right? Because price came up during that 1 minute, came back down, and then even came down to here because that's how far the wick went, okay? And then it came back up and it closed wherever it was at after the 1 minute was up. So it closed here, so open, close. And then we have our wicks, right? So that's exactly what it means. So now let's try something a little different here. So let's go ahead and look at a nice red candle. So this candle here, I want you to not pay attention to these ones. Pay attention to only this one right here. This one is what we're going to pay attention to. So where's our open, guys? Where's the open? Or actually, before we start with that, what color is this candle? If you said green, it's not green. It's red. Colorblind freaking. Okay. But it's red. Or no, oh my. Yeah, no, I'm confusing myself. It is red. Okay, this candle is red. So basically, this indicates that what price did up? No, it did not go up. Price went down because it's red. Pretty simple. Pretty like kindergarten stuff here. Look at price is red, so it went down. Okay. Why did it go down? Because price went lower from where it opened at. And remember, so where did it open? It did not open down here, right? If it opened down here and it closed up here, this market would be green because price went up, right? Oh, something got disconnected. This price went up. Look at. So it's not green. So it did not close or open, I mean, from right here. So it actually opened from the top left. So it's going to be from the left where it opens. But for red candles, it's going to be on the top left because price went down, right? So price opened here and then it closed down right. So it's kind of the opposite. So rather with the, green candle like this one, it opened here, it closed here. This time it closed top left or open top left, closed bottom right. So if that makes sense. And again, we're still on the 1 minute time frame. So each candlestick is made up of 1 minute. Okay, so now price opened, we know, right here, and it closed down here. What does the wick do? The wick signifies what price did during the 1 minute. So price opened here. Price pushed down to the bottom, how far the wick went, came back up, and wherever it was, after the 1 minute was up, it closed there, and then it created a new candle like this. Got it? Pretty easy. So just remember this one thing here. You know what the wicks do? They do exactly what they did during the time frame, right? For the, during what the candlestick was doing. Okay? And then think about this. This green candlestick right here. For green candlesticks, bottom left. Open, top right, close. Okay? Pretty simple. And the market went up because it is a green candle. A red candle, okay? Top left open, bottom right closed, right? So this means it's red, right? So the market went down. Pretty simple. So basically, whatever time frame you're on, it's going to have a bunch of candlesticks here, okay? That you could go off of. And this is what makes up charts, guys. So everything you just learned right now, you learned a lot in the last 15 minutes or so. You learned a lot, and this is what the price or markets, right, are all formed by, these little candlesticks here. So basically, if you take a second, right, if you just take some time to go on TradingView and just have a look at these, but okay, this one right here opens here because it's green and went up. So it opens here and it closes here. The wicks determine what it did during that 1 minute because we're on the 1 minute time frame. Cool. And then just analyze kind of these little candlesticks, get the hang of it, and watch this video again if you do not understand, because this is really needed in your trading career. So as you can see, so now I want to go ahead and tell you guys a series of candlesticks here. So let's go ahead and jump in here. So as you guys can see, we have 1 minute, we have 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour. Let's go to the freaking 1 hour. Why not? Let's get rid of the zone so we don't get confused. Okay. So let's go ahead and look here at the series of candlesticks here. Okay. So we're just going to read each one of these candlesticks. What do these mean? So this one, let me highlight this area. Oh my goodness, I just messed it up. Hold on. Okay. Perfect. So we're just going to highlight this area. I just want you to focus on these candlesticks here, okay? So this candlestick right here, right, opened where? Is it the top left? No, it's the bottom left, right? Because it's green. The market went up because it's green. So we want to know, right, where we open and close. So we opened bottom left right there of our body. And then we closed the top right, okay? After the 1 minute after the 1 hour. Remember, not the 1 minute, but we're on the 1 hour time frame. So each candlestick is based off 1 hour now, right? So look, it goes from like 9 a.m. here to 10 a.m. Each candlestick is based off 1 hour. So 1 hour passed by, it closed up here. This one closed. This candle got created an hour later, opened here, closed here. open here, closed here. Now what did price do? Right? Did it open here, close here? No, it did not. If that was the case, it would be green, but it didn't. So as you can see, guys, price opened up here, right? And it closed down here. And if it makes it easier for you, right? Wherever price closed on this, so let's look at this candle. Wherever price closed on it, this is where the open is going to be in the next candle. Look at, see? This is where the open will be automatically. So this candle closed, where's the open? Right here. Opened right there. So this one closed there. This one's going to be the next open for the next candle, as you can see. So again, this one closed here, and this one opened here, right? Because the red candle went down. So what does that mean? Price closed here. The next candle opened here. See? As you can see. So price opened or closed here. Then price opened here at this point. So pretty relatively simple, if you don't mind me asking. But or if you don't mind me telling you, because it is pretty simple, guys, to understand. And if you didn't understand this video, go ahead and do it another way through, because I want you to understand this, and you need to understand this to become profitable and make money day trading. So this is a need here. This is good, knowledgeable info. And when it comes to having a course, guys, I don't like to charge anybody. I like to let you guys know for free, because this is my passion, and I do like doing this, you know, and it's a great absolute journey. It has been for me, and it will be for you. So with further ado, guys, if you guys understand this video and liked it a lot, hit that like and subscribe. Show me some support. And I'm going to go ahead and get into the next video, guys. So next video will be all about market trends. So we learned about candlesticks today, and we learned about trends tomorrow, I guess. So, or whenever. The video will probably be out by the time you're seeing this, but check out the second video now. All right, you guys. I'll be with you all the way. Take care. I'll see you in the next episode of this series.